Baiyi T50 is the first domestic multifunctional leaf collection vehicle launched by our company. As a pioneer brand of fallen leaf collection equipment, Baiyi has specially developed the T50 multifunctional leaf collection vehicle for municipal, sanitation, gardening, and other departments. Not only has it filled the gap in market, but after 7 years and 6 upgrade iterations, it can effectively solve pain points of leaves with large volume, difficult to collect and transport in concentrated fallen leaf season. It has been well received by users and triggered a shock wave in the industry. The vehicle has functions of crushing and compressing leaves, is equipped with a 4.5 cubic super large dust bin, and a unique dust removal and filtration system, which has characteristics of fast collection speed, reduced leaf volume, large storage capacity, and no dust. The vehicle is equipped with 2 leaf collection modes, bottom suction cup and handheld straw, which can quickly collect scattered and piled leaves. Retractable and rotatable robotic arm can efficiently collect fallen leaves under roadside parking spaces, green belts, tree pits, lawns, and other places where vehicles cannot walk. In addition, the vehicle is also equipped with a high-pressure washing system and a 1,500-liter water tank. It can be used as a high-pressure cleaning vehicle during the non-leaf season. Carry out high-pressure cleaning operations on roadside stones, sidewalks, bicycle lanes, garbage cans, etc. One vehicle can be used for multiple purposes, which greatly improves the utilization rate of the whole vehicle.